Test, test, 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to your day. One of the first things that I want to say is, even as I start this video, I know this might rub a couple people the wrong way. AMC stock is definitely not for everyone. If you want to partake in it and asking the question, is it a good deal? Should I buy right now? Do it with a dollar amount that you can tolerate. If you want to buy one share just to be part of the process or whatever it is that people call it, so be it. At the end of the day, do something to set your future self up for success. Don't trade with too much. Don't do something that you're going to end up regretting if things go south. AMC is a risky stock. If it's pushing up, it's up 51%, 51 freaking percent in one day. It's absolutely insane. I currently have, and again, you guys should know that I have a pretty large investment account, right? I invest with over $1 million. Right now with my AMC position, I have $110,000. You guys saw my day yesterday. Yesterday was my first day. I try to just focus on day trading it. That's not the approach that everyone takes. It's not the approach that I'm saying that you should take. It's simply the approach that I'm taking. And we're about to hit all-time highs at $50 a share. If it breaks above it, I'm up $33,000, $30,000 on the day. It's insane. I've been buying, I've been selling, I'm going to sell. I think that there's going to be a breakout when it breaks above $50 a share. I really do. Right after that breakout, I'm probably going to lighten up my position size to about $1,000 a share and then go from there. So I'm going to have my order ready. So I'll do 1,250 is what I'm going to plan to sell if it ends up going with it, or if it ends up breaking above that specific price point. So it looks like we're struggling to hold above $49. There's definitely a lot of selling pressure as of right now. If you want to lock in profits, all power to you. At the end of the day, please never, I can't stress this enough, please never make a decision based off of someone else, like what can benefit someone else. Do your part in setting your future self up for success. If you want to lock in profits because you're just getting started and you don't want to discourage yourself, I think that's an amazing plan. And here it goes. Here's a big pullback. So let's see if we test. The really big test is going to be going to see if we hold above EMA. So it looks like there was a nice little pullback to about 47.50. We got the buyers right now. So again, there's the bid, there's the ask. We're doing pretty good. We're holding pretty well. I want to hear your guys' thoughts, right? If you guys are someone that is just getting started, right? I feel like please approach this with an open mind, right? What would you say? What would you? There's a lot of people. I've been talking to a lot of people. A huge shout out to one of our guys that I've been talking to, Oscar. He's someone that has been invested in AMC as early as $10, $9 a share. I recently just got into it when it was at like $26, $27. I'm obviously doing it with a much larger dollar amount. So please, when you look at my P&L on how much I'm up, don't compare your profits to mine. It's everyone. It doesn't matter if you're just getting started or if you have years of experience. We all trade and we all take risk based off of, what we can tolerate, right? So if you're someone that's just getting started, it makes sense on why you're someone that is trading with less money. One of the things that I'm always here to encourage you to do is, you have nothing but time to trade in the stock market. You have nothing but time to invest in the stock market. Why are you in such a rush to make it happen? If you want to partake in this, and this is the thing that I continue to say time after time after time, it's like if you want to partake in this action, do it with a dollar amount you can tolerate. Don't do it with a dollar amount that if you get in and you see at $50 a share right now, and if it pulls back down to $10 and you end up never wanting to touch the market again because of how much money you lost, that is your fault because of how you approach the market. I can almost promise you that if you go in with one share and it pulls back to $10, yeah, it's gonna suck. You still lost $40, but it's not gonna devastate you, right? Do your part in putting yourself in a position to succeed. Take advantage of opportunities that make sense to you and ignore the ones that, one of the things that I really enjoyed about AMC is I loved following up with it. I didn't necessarily love trading it, right? Because of how risky it actually is. The past 2 days, I was I was just becoming a little bit more warmed up to the idea, and I decided to partake in it, and it's played out pretty well. Yesterday, I made a little bit over 20K when it came down to my AMC position, and today I'm up a little bit over 30K. But again, I'm doing it with a really large dollar amount in comparison to the average person, so don't compare your position to mine. So I wanted to ask you guys, what's the price point that you got in at for AMC? If you guys don't mind me asking, you guys all probably got in at a better price than I did, so congratulations on that. Kudos to you, right? But what dollar did what's your average purchase price? I've heard people get in at $5, people got in at $10. Yeah, you guys are freaking insane. There we go. Here he goes. Look, 477, 480, 49.80. Let's see what we hit. 49.78. 40. If you guys think that AMC is going to break $50 a share, are we gonna get a thumbs up? Drop a like, right? If you guys think that AMC is gonna hit over $100 a share, I mean, let's be honest. Do you guys actually think it's gonna hit $100 a share? What do you guys think? You guys think it's gonna hit 100K? Okay. Target is 70. Okay, yes, $100 a share, 100K. When I hear people say 100, again, we're all entitled to our own opinion. When people say that it can get to $100,000, right, or $1,000, let's be honest. Who thought that AMC from $4 a share would get to $49? You know, that is amazing within itself. Let's be honest, right? So when people say, I think that it can hit $100 a share, or it could hit $1,000 a share, I'm never here to discourage anyone. Just know that anyone that tries to discourage others about taking advantage of an opportunity that doesn't make sense to them is, you know, they're narrow-minded at the end of the day, right? Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. If you don't believe it's going to hit $100, then guess what? What can you do? The beautiful thing about the stock market is that you choose to trade and you choose to invest in the stocks that you see value in. And if you don't believe in it, then don't partake in it. It's that simple, right? There it goes, $49.87 a share. I'm going to get my order ready. Oh, there it goes, $50 a share. Are we going to break out at 50 or are we going to pull on back? Be careful with this, with where we're at as of right now. Be careful with where we're at. So we're at 49.70, 49. Let's see. I'm going to sell 250 of my shares. Let's see where I got filled. So 49.60, that's not the best exit. So let's see it. Oh, there's a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. What's going on, Umar? What's up, Steven? Paper hands. Love to see it. That is correct. Again, I've explained 100 times over, right? At this point, I chose to take advantage of it when it comes down to day trading it. I'm not going to hold it. I don't hold a large position overnight. That's just not my approach, right? I'm doing it with a dollar amount. All right, now I have nearly $100,000. I just sold 250 shares. So we're up 33K, 34K on the day. If I was doing this with $2,000, you are correct. I wouldn't mind holding it overnight. But when I'm doing it with $100,000, it's just different. If you want to hold your 10 shares, your 100 shares, all power to you. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I hope that you don't try to tell me what to do with my money, right? I wish you guys nothing but the best. Hope that all I'm ever here to encourage you guys to do is to have a plan, implement structure, mitigate risk. I'm not here to tell you to sell. No, it's like if you wanna hold it because you think it's gonna hit a certain price point, great, so be it. If you wanna follow with a trailing stop loss, if you wanna take out your initial profits, whatever the case might be, do your part to set your future self up for success. Ignore the rest. It's like, how is someone that's trading with 10 shares going to tell me how to or tell me what to do with my 2,000 shares. It's different. If I had 10 shares, you're right, I would probably hold because it wouldn't really matter, right? So don't ever allow people to influence you where to put your money, what to do with your money. Just if it goes well, if you make mistakes, who cares, right? You'll learn from it, but just make sure that it's something that you fully understand. So I'm gonna have to close out the live stream here. We actually have let me see, I'm getting a call. So alrighty, I just wanted to stop on in. Wanted to wish you guys nothing but the best with this, and this is fun. It's interesting. One of the last things that I want to leave you guys with is this is all fun and games, and it's all glory until it's not, right? I hope that you just simply do something today that your future self could thank you for, in the sense of, if it's your position size, if it's managing a trailing stop loss, whatever the case might be, an ideal exit price point, I hope you just have a plan. So I would love to stay connected. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I have 187,000 followers on Instagram. We have nearly 1 million subscribers here on YouTube. You guys can subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. I would love to answer any of your questions. All the links, you guys can refresh this live stream. This live stream will re-upload. And all the links are in the description. We have a free Facebook group. We have over 300, what is that? So 313,000 members. So that's the first link in the description. I trade live every morning, so it's very similar to this live stream, but we host them every single day. There it goes. I just made another $2,000. That's fun. Freaking insane. But yeah, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, if you guys want to watch my daily live trading sessions, click the second link down below. We are running a sale for our live trading, and if you guys want that, all you guys have to do is direct message me on Discord, or you can scroll to the very bottom of the description of this video, and you should see a $50 off coupon. It says a surprise coupon. There it goes. We just hit $40,000 on the day. So super grateful, super thankful. I'm going to sell another portion of it. And let's just do our part in setting our future selves up for success. So wish you guys nothing but the best. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be a drive to success. Hope I earned your thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team. This is freaking insane. $53 for AMC. I want to see where I'm at once it finishes loading. There it goes, 53.70. Let's see. There it goes, $43,000 on the day. So insane. Wish you guys nothing but the best. Like always, let's make sure that we